disappointed sound boy, calling in the dancehall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here Saturday afternoon. Sequence sound string up on you. We're about to ready to test. But check out the new setup. This is how we're looking right now. This is something different. Saying this is how we should have done it at the other place that we were at the other day, but so you go. See, so this is the new look. Saying. So here I'm using 4 singles and 2 double. The double 12s are in the middle, the single 15s are on the end. See? This is where we're at. Here in this fresh seafood. Yeah, well, let's wait a little bit, see what they're doing. Try and plug this into here. Right here. Alright, so I'm still waiting for the 2 4302s to come. But right now, Snappy, watch it then. Right now I'm going to be using the same amplifiers that I've been using before, which is the 3302s. So I'm using 2 of the 3302s on bass today. Same. And I'm using 1 of the 3202 on mid bass. The 3004 I'm using on high mids, which is the 12s are mid range. And 2004 I'm using on horns and tweeters. See? So I'm gonna go through my check, make sure everything is everything. Infos, you afraid of the camera? I notice I see you moving out. Every time you see my camera, you run pan in. You're going like you're a road boy. And I know you're not no road boy. And you will hear what it sounds like. This is the other sound. So they're using 4 W18s and 4 traditional looking top-ins. I don't know what's in his top-in, so I can't say anything about that, but them look nice and neat though. Yeah, good look. So right now they're inside hooking up the power. I had my power hooked up before, but the other sound guy just came, so we're kind of helping him out with the power supply. So it's like that. And you will hear what it sounds like. This is the other sound. So they're using 4 W18s and 4 traditional looking top-ins. I don't know what's in his top-in, so I can't say anything about that, but them look nice and neat though. Yeah, good look. So right now they're inside hooking up the power. I had my power hooked up before, but the other sound guy just came, so we're kind of helping him out with the power supply. So it's like that.
so better after that. Yeah, nice. That's
So now we have a second sound system string up, sound called symphonic. So you have the big bad sequence and symphonic. So go and play some tuning on a Saturday evening, you know. Just a juggling thing. So you don't know sequence, use everything. So you know, use the turntables. Yeah.
What's the name of the thing?
Wow. The needle?
The whole thing.
It's Newmark.
Newmark?
Yeah. It's a Newmark. Head. I tell you, I think they have them.
John
Guitar Center have them.
Them not have them. Go to this man.
That's where I got it from.
Yeah?
Yeah. Guitar Center, Newmark, yes. Or you can go to Amazon. You can buy them from Amazon.
How much for them are that?
Like $75.
You have correspond video and then you look back at
Yeah, man. Okay, so we're using the turntables as usual.
and we have four
And we're using CDs. So we are covered from every angle. Yeah. Turntables, CDs. I know that shit is too damn hot. Crazy hot. Yeah, I turned on my laptop and that shit immediately froze because the heat, the South Florida heat is not playing. See? So yeah, right now I'm using, like I said, I'm using two of the 3302s on the bass line. So I'm currently playing 4 ohms bass with two of the 3202s on the bass and mid bass. So I'm using 615s on the mid bass and I'm using 4 double 12s, single horn in each one and bullets. So that's what it looks like.
I mean, a blast roll now. I mean, a hard stuff with. Yeah, tell them. Said, origin. Little song, you know. And tell the people then, the little dance, tell, here and there, dancing, look up this time, half, 4, 3, voila. Step aside now, another man wants to take over. 'Cause you don't know what you got, so now it's time to use it. Step aside now, let me show you how to treat a woman. She needs a tender touch, she needs loving so much. Tell me how you crazy, leaving her so long, so lonely. Now she's a winner, so you better protect her. Oh, you don't know what to do, she'll comfort you.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy,